Hello guys, so today's project that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be refreshing this hallway table, and it's a half moon table, and I like the pillars it has, and it's solid wood. It needs a light sanding that I did on it to prep it to paint. So I'm gonna test some colors on it and see which one I want. I'm thinking maybe white or gray, or a darker color. So I'm gonna test that first and see how it looks, and then I'll decide. And then the top of this half moon, it's glass, so the only thing that I need to prep here, which I already did, sanding and dusting it off, is the frame, basically, because the top is glass. We don't need to paint the glass. All I'm gonna do is do the wood part of it, which is a short project. Is nothing difficult because it doesn't have any major repairs. It's basically just refreshing the paint. Okay guys, so I finished the first coat. As you can see, it's an off-white color. So tomorrow I will continue. I will let this dry because it needs another coat of paint. So this is just the first coat. As you can see, it's all white or off-white, and I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Hello guys, so this is the end result of the half moon hallway table that I refinished again. It just needed a refreshment of paint, and I use an off-white color, and so it's all finished and it's ready to be used again. So this is the end of it, and again, thank you for staying with me doing it yourself. You can actually do it yourself by painting any color you choose to put on your furniture, and this is the one I chose. Thanks for watching.